Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to import goods from China. Step 1. Finding reliable suppliers is crucial. Research and compare different options to ensure quality and competitive pricing. Step 2. Understand the legal regulations and requirements for importing goods from China. Compliance is essential to avoid any legal issues. Step 3. Learn about shipping procedures and logistics. Choose the most suitable shipping method for your products. Step 4. Negotiate favorable terms with your suppliers. Effective communication and negotiation skills can lead to better deals. Step 5. Ensure proper packaging and labeling of your products. This is crucial for smooth customs clearance. Step 6. Arrange for transportation and track your shipment. Stay updated on the progress to ensure timely delivery. Step 7. Handle customs clearance efficiently. Be prepared with all the necessary documentation and follow the required procedures. Step 8. Evaluate and improve your import process. Continuously analyze your operations to optimize efficiency and reduce costs. By following these steps, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to successfully import goods from China.